people. How you doing? My name is Dalton, and I'm back again with another unboxing for you. Straight, all right. I'm excited about this. Uh, this is going to be the review and unboxing of a iPhone XS. That's right, iPhone 10s. All right. And I bought this iPhone used off of eBay. Usually I don't buy stuff off of eBay because I used to sell off of there and um, I got robbed big time, scammed. And even one time I bought something off there and I got scammed. So, but I found the best price for this particular phone. Show it to you. Look how beautiful that is. Move my hand out of the way. Yeah. Isn't that pretty? So we'll go more in detail about that. But I found the best price on eBay. And when you buy certain used phones on eBay, you also get 1 full year of warranty on that phone, parts and service. It's hard to beat. So let's do this. I have my notes. I got my Starbucks coffee. This is not a paid, okay, or sponsored video. All right. So when I talk about me loving my Starbucks coffee, no, I don't get paid to say that. I just do like my Starbucks coffee. Now, let's talk about this. Okay. This phone is 5.8 inches in the screen size. Okay. What I love about it, it has 4 gigabytes of RAM. Okay. For those who don't know, that's a decent amount, especially on an iPhone. Okay. I had a old laptop a long time ago, and that laptop people could still use it today, and it had 4 gigs of RAM. Okay, so and this phone has 4 gigs of RAM. That tells you something. This particular phone is a 64 gigabyte. Okay, now you can get this on sale on Amazon for right now for 266. Nevertheless, you can buy it considerably less, like on eBay. You can buy some of them for under 200. All right. Now this phone is what I like about it. Now I'm going to tell you the truth about it. It is going to be a learning curve because this phone is was like the flagship back in the day when that phone of phones for Apple of that style. Okay, so now this is a GSM CDMA. Okay, what that means is it uses a SIM. Okay. Now the front and this phone is so unique. The front and the back both have glass. Okay. And as soon as I got this phone, I made sure I did one thing. When I got this phone, I got a case for it. Okay, and I suggest you do the same if you decide to get uh, one of these iPhone 10s. Okay, because the back is all glass, but it lets you do wireless charging. And the front is all glass. And the front and the back are both Gorilla Glass, which is a real strong glass. I mean, any glass can break, but it's just not just going to break just because of the first fall normally. Okay. Now the frame around it is steel, stainless steel. I like that. Okay. Now the display, look how beautiful that display is. Let me see if I can unlock that for you. See? That display right there. Look at that. See how beautiful that is? Isn't that pretty? That display is OLED, OLED, and it also has Dolby Vision. So that is a newer type of display. It's more crisp and clean, and you can even just look at that picture right there, okay, and see how clean that is. Let's see here.
Check this out. I'm going to show you how I afforded this car.
See if I can give you an example.
Okay, you ready? All right.
See how clean it is? That's one of my videos I did when I went shopping. Look how clean that is. Crystal clear. That is beautiful. Okay. Now, resolution 1125 by 24, 36 pixels. Now it has a scratch resistant glass on it, 3D touch. Now this is one thing. This was the selling point for me. This particular phone has a A12 Bionic CPU, and that means that's like the brain. Okay, and I really started to get an iPhone 8. All right, but when I saw that CPU in this one, this iPhone 10s, was a A12, a step up from like the 8 Plus that I started to get, I was sold right there. And then you add the 4 gigabyte of RAM, and mainly I'm gonna use this for my hobby, my YouTube channel. All right, and taking pictures. I'm not really gonna use it as a phone where you have to put a SIM in and stuff like that. And also, this is a write-off for me for my hobby and my YouTube channel. This is also a write-off. And one of the things I did is I got rid of all the other smartphones and iPhones I had just gathering dust, hanging around, and I recycled them. Took the money from that, put it against this one, okay, and got this. Now, this one also has the main camera, which is a dual camera, as you saw. See that? The main camera, which is a dual, is 12 MP. The selfie camera, front facing one, 7 megapixel. I can't even say it now, but you get what I'm saying. Now, what I like about the video on this, the video is 4K, 1080p, and it's just crisp. Y'all saw that. Even when I was showing you all that, one of my other videos, look how crisp that is. That is just, I like it. Okay. And what I had a hard time with, and you might find it interesting too, is that this has, yes, it has a regular, when you swipe up, it has the regular that you can punch in your pin, but it has a face ID. That's right, it scans the face, and you can open your phone through it seeing your face. All right, and they have upgraded it where even if you have a protection mask on, it still can recognize your face and open the phone. So I thought that was pretty good too. And this phone will be able to handle the brand new iOS 16 when it comes out, and it should have a lot of security updates for years to come, especially being iPhone XS or iPhone 10s and having that uh, A12 Bionic CPU and 4 gigs of RAM. Yeah, it's going to have a lot of updates, probably more than the iPhone, probably like a year more than the iPhone uh, 10R. All right, and like I said, this is a beautiful phone. Look how crisp and clear that is. It's a beautiful phone. Okay, if you get one, I'm telling you, immediately make sure that you get a protection cover. Okay, because of all the reviews I've seen, everybody is always talking about how they broke the back because the back is glass, but it allows for uh, wireless charging, so that's pretty good. And there's tons of other things that this phone can do that comes with this phone. So that's my quick review and unboxing of the iPhone XS or iPhone 10s. Okay, that I got uh, for I believe it was $200. Yeah, I got it for $200 off of eBay. Okay, now let me say this one thing: you can also buy for almost for $100 and maybe sometimes a little bit more. You can buy an iPhone 8, and they will continuously get the new iOS 16 and security updates. But anything older than iPhone 8, if you decide to go that route, will not get iOS 16 or future security updates. Okay, which is important. So keep that in mind. You know, just in case some company like Centrix is trying to give you an iPhone, and if it's not an iPhone 8, go with Android because you don't want unless it's your choice. But after a while, you're not going to be able to connect to the Apple servers, and that's going to be a problem. Okay, if you don't have an iPhone 8 or newer. Just a little tidbit for you. All right, and I guess I'll wrap to y'all later. Hope you enjoyed it. I ask you to give this video or any of my videos you like a thumbs up. All right, and ask you to share this and subscribe. And I like to hear your respectful comments in the comments box below and let me know what type of iPhone do you have or would you like to get in the future, used or new. All right, peace.